second most competitive tournament, Champions Trophy, which is also popularly known as Mini World Cup, has started with the clash between England and Bangladesh. Now all eyes on a big star, especially on batsmen who can wreak havoc at any point of the match against any bowling attack. They single-handedly carry off the match. The giant appearance of these batsmen make these bowlers helpless. The tournament so far in its 7th edition witnessed many larger-than-life innings by cricketer legends like Sachin Tendulkar, Saurabh Ganguly, Andy Fowler, Nathan Astle and others. Take a look at 10 highest scorers in Champions Trophy. Though many of these destructive batsmen took retirement, yet Steve Smith, Virat Kohli, MS Dhoni, Ben Stokes, AB de Villiers and others are in Champions Trophy count 17 who can do fireworks in the stadium. News Desk.